What up mga solid subscribers na okay guys, no? Bago simulan tong video to guys, no? Ingat-ingat po tayo sa lahat po ng mga syempre no, sa mga Cebuano, Cebuanas, mga Dabaweños guys, or sa lahat man guys. Actually, kalat po talaga yung earthquake ngayon guys, no? Galing po ako nakaraan sa Cebu. Yan. Tapos ayun po, medyo nakaranas tayo ng hindi talaga medyo guys, yung pinakamalakas na lindol po sa Cebu history guys, no. Naranasan ko po talaga yun kasi tapos ngayon sa Davao, no. Actually guys, yung dalawang lugar yung Cebu at Davao, yun yung madalas namin pinupuntahan guys, no, sa company namin, no. Kaya ayan, ingat-ingat na lang po tayo, no. Ingat-ingat po sa lahat. And ayan, tara simulan itong video na to guys, no. Ito po ay video po ni SB Edis po guys, no. SB Edis na. Okay, tingnan natin itong video niya. Very big shoutout po sa kanya. Kanya po itong video na papanoorin natin, no? Okay, like and subscribe kayo kay SB Edis, no? So, okay, ito unang papanoorin guys. Ito po yung title na ay Riyadh Organizer Debunks Rumors. Cancellation is not related to ticket sales. Alam naman natin guys na na-cancel po guys, no? Yung tag dito, yung concert nila guys, no? And alamin natin maigi kung bakit ba siya na-cancel na. Okay, tara.
Fresh, new and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19. We got another update regarding the cancellation of SB19 Simula at Wakas World Tour concert in Riyadh. As we know, last October 6, Al Reem Platform, the organizers of Riyadh concert stop, announced first the cancellation of the show, followed by 1Z Entertainment. Few hours after their initial post, they once tweeted asking for an apology once again and assured ticket holders will have their money fully refunded. On this tweet, an 18 commented to be particular about the exact reason of the cancellation, where the organizers replied that they cannot disclose it as it was due to unforeseen circumstances beyond the control, and the decision for cancellation was for everyone's best interest. Now, a non-18 also replied on this comment stating that it is probably due to low sales of tickets, and even said that there is no logical explanation aside from that. And
so, inassume nila na dahil low ticket sales, no? So, ito tandaan nyo guys, no? Sa estado ngayon ng SB19, no? Hindi sila magko-concert sa isang lugar kung alam nilang wala silang masyadong following doon guys. Kasi tandaan nyo, halos lahat ng pinag-concertan nila guys sa talagang hindi naman sa sobrang laking venue, doon sila sa medyo hindi ganun kataas yung capacity na venue, no? O baga mini-make sure nila na talagang maraming makakanood, no? And then pag napuno yun guys, so nagre-request talaga mga tao, no? And then the next year nag-upgrade sila guys ng kanilang venue, 'di ba, no? So hindi sila pupunta sa isang lugar kung alam nilang may problema talaga, no? Like kunyari tawag dito, yung mga tao wala sila masyadong followers doon or hindi naman, no. So hindi sila susugal, no. Kasi syempre pag nag-perform sila international guys, yung expense hindi biro po talaga yan, okay. So ito, tayo natin maigi kung yun nga yung naging problema, no.
this comment had done really great for us as Al Reem Platform replied and debunks the rumor, confirming that the decision of cancellation is not related on the sales of tickets. If you can recall, SB19 only canceled their multiple shows once in 2023 due to the dispute of the trademark of their name from their former entertainment label.
Kung naalala nyo yun yung dati, no, ang dami nilang kinancel na concert before, no, dahil ayun yung time na yung pangalan nila na SB19 is yun nga, no, nagka-problema since show BT SB19, no, and then nagkaroon sila ng nilaban na yung pangalan niya. Dumating pa nga sa point guys, pag nagpe-perform sila, no, ang ginagamit nilang pangalan is yung buong pangalan talaga nila, no, Stel, Josh, Pablo, Justin, Ken, no, yun lagi, hindi SB19 yung gamit nila, no. So may mga ganong klaseng problema po tayong nakikita, no.
Website already confirmed before the cancellation announcement that the Riyadh stop is already sold out. So we hope that this will bring closure to all the baseless rumors going through online. We may encourage all 18 as well to not engage anymore on tweets and posts that spreads wrong information about the cancellation.
Ito guys, form niya. Huwag tayong magdi-disclose na isang information or kung ano man na alam nating hindi naman yun yung pinakadahilan, no? Okay, sige, pwede tayo magbigay ng opinion natin, pero wag natin i-disclose, guys, no. Yan, no? Kasi ito tayo nyo, nakalagay dito, probably low tickets, no other logical explanation aside from that, no, di ba? So, parang kinlose niya na yun talaga yung pinaka-reason, no? Which is hindi naman talaga. No? Pwede naman siguro sinabi, in Tagalog, siguro low tickets or baka, no? Pero hindi natin alam, guys, wag po na natin alamin, no? So, sana maglabas sila ng any logical information about that, guys, no. So ang nangyari kasi dito, guys, is ito nga, parang dinisclose niya po talaga na wala siyang iba, sinabi ko yun lang. So, meron kasi mga ibang mga viewer, mga casual viewer, mga fans na makita lang ng ganito, guys, ganitong klaseng bagay, no. Talagang paniniwalaan po talaga nila, no. May mga ganyang klase, no. Hindi, kumbaga yung reading comprehension nila, guys, no, di ba? Hindi pag kung ano makita nila. Alam mo yung mga sikat ngayon, guys, yung mga spliced video, guys, no. Yung mga gano'n, no. Ayun lang makita nila yung short clip na yun, paniniwalaan na po nila, no. So, alam mo yun, merong mga taong maniniwala dito, no. So, alam niyo na, pag halimbawa kumalat to, magpapalakpakan naman yung tenga ng mga abnormal na mga basher na yun, kung sino man yung mga yan, no. Kung sino man yung mga yan, guys, no. Hindi nga alam, baka nga basher to, kung sino man to, di ba, no. Pwede, di ba?
The organizers have spoken up and clarified everything.
Oh, isa pa yan. Organizer na mismo nagsabi, no. Hindi siya magsasabi ng ganyang klaseng bagay kung hindi sila sure. Siyempre, pag nagsabi sila ng ganyang bagay, pwede silang kasuhan ng SB19 or management ng SB19, 1Z Entertainment, 'di ba? Pag nag-disclose sila ng ganyan, no, ng false information, no, pwede yan, guys, no. So, siya mismo nagsabi, yung mismong organizer, no, na we would like to clarify that the cancellation was due to unforeseen circumstances beyond control, no. So, ayan, not related to ticket sales, no. Kaya ano lang tayo, guys, hintay-hintay lang tayo, no. Hintay-hintay lang tayo. Huwag natin pangunahan yung balita po, guys, no. Maglalabas naman ng statement yan. Hindi naman tayo to the point na hindi natin alam yung nangyari sa SB19 or sa mga ganap na SB19, no. Lagi naman sila nag-update, no? Lagi naman sila nagbibigay ng kanilang mga mga updates, no, sa mga bagay-bagay, no. Kaya please, wag natin i-judge agad, no. So, yun lang. Tuloy na lang natin, guys. Baka meron pa
The decision of cancellation derives from a more serious reasons. So, don't give engagements anymore to bashers, and let's focus our time in doing 18 tasks and promoting the rest of Simula at Wakas World Tour concert stops.
Okay, no. So, yun lang, guys, no. Inulit ko sa inyo, hindi nagsiset ng concert or yun nga, nagsiset ng concert ng SB19, alam nilang mababa yung following nila ron sa lugar na yun, no? Or wala masyadong fans, no. Darating din tayo doon, guys. Ano lang naman, guys, no. Magpakatotoo lang tayo, no. Kailan ng SB19 all over the world, pero not to the point na 100% na kailan na sila ng mga tao, no. Although na alam natin yung kanta nila kilala, pero yung sila as SB19 all over the world, hindi pa sila ganun kaano, no. Pero unti-untiin po natin yan, no. So, yung low ticket sales, hindi ako naniniwala dyan, guys. Sobrang imposible yan, guys, no. Nung unang nakita ko nga to, nabasa ko to, sobrang imposible to, guys, for me. Sobrang imposible po talaga, no. Kaya, ayun lang, no. And mautak kasi yung SB19, mautak din ng 1Z Entertainment, guys, no. Kaya hindi nila hayaan na magkaroon ng ganong klaseng mga minor na, hindi ko alam kung tama sasabihin ko, minor na pagkakamali. mga minor failures, guys, na. So, hindi. Trust me, guys, na. So, ayun lang, guys. Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell para nyo po pag-release ng bagong video, no. So, maraming salamat sa panonood natin video, no. And a very big shoutout kay SB Edits, no. So, this is Point of It signing out. Peace. That's G.